right, folks, Dooley. So for us, something to smile about. We are testing our gospel songs knowledge. We'll be given clues, and our friends, Papa San and Basilia. I don't know why they are here, because we don't need nobody.
We know everything.
We don't need nobody.
We don't need a soul
Anyway,
there.
they're apparently going to ask us some questions, and we're just going to deal. Who's coming first?
Right.
Bass is first.
So it's a gospel challenge quiz, right?
Yeah.
So first question, what did the Grace Thrillers say they could not do without God holding their hand?
Can't even walk.
Wait a minute.
Oh, bless God.
Wait a minute.
I told you you were a prophetess.
Oh, I was just singing that song.
Yes, correct.
All you have to say.
Say the tune, man.
No, all you have to say is well done, Neville. You know, that's all.
My hand.
Work for your Sterling Award, girl. Yeah.
Carlos.
I can't even walk or run or skip. We can't move none touch you by my
You owe me, son.
All right, good.
Come again.
Go on, good job.
Your time, sir.
Next.
My turn. All right. What is the name of the Kirk Franklin song I was featured on?
I know that. Actually, I don't want to say it because it was actually in the run, and I saw the answer.
What? Well, you don't say it.
Me not tell you.
Don't tell me my ears, the man.
Or sing a
Nobody don't
piece.
say. Sing a piece of it.
You.
No, you.
Tell me the tune now.
No.
Talk fast.
No. To be honest, I can't remember when we did sing.
That's clear. I was just going to say, folks, he don't remember or he don't know. Can we talk it long time?
No, that's how, it's in the run. It's actually in the run.
Why is it in the run? So the answers were in the run?
No, but
All
that's
of
not
it?
that
But
part.
this one, yeah.
Yeah. It's right name. Rains or something.
Yes, he reigns.
You get it.
Here it.
Oi.
Play the tune, man. We know the tune now.
You see how me decent? Because I didn't see it. I never want to. You see how me decent?
You forgot.
I said it. I said it. Don't I say it? Yeah, I said it.
Yeah, he reigns.
Next one. Come
All
on.
right. What did Lieutenant Stitchie say we must do as Christians?
Where you
Two things. What should we do?
Well, hold on. No, I never get that right. Where you say?
Come again.
Wait, no, where you say is go church.
The gospel song.
Because if the pastor is preaching and you put up on you, you cannot hear the sermon.
Not that one.
Where you say is go church.
You're going to get blind. No.
I actually don't know
He
that.
said we must do a number of things, though.
Okay, but
The song is
for the
not-
song,
The question
two
is not
things.
very specific.
Something and something. We must, and
What? Fast and pray.
there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Stop. Did Lieutenant Stitchie say wear your size?
We're talking about the gospel song.
Well, you know what wear your size go to church.
We have a point. You have a point.
Papa, sir, I'm wrong, sir.
The answer is wrong.
All right, go. Next one.
All right, my turn?
Yes.
All right, this song won the JCDC Gospel Song in 1998.
No, sir, I don't know
Oh,
that
no,
one.
wicked.
Let me give you a
Never said
clue.
Downswell. Is Downswell?
Oh God.
98?
Yes.
Clue.
Hold your hand. Hold your hand.
Hold my hand
There you go.
today.
Yes.
Glacier.
That one.
Glory. Yes.
Well,
Stop
I never born 1998, so I wouldn't know.
That is true. It's-
Baba do ba da do ba
All right,
da
next
chorus.
one.
Run it.
What did Mary say they wanted to take off their feet?
Shackles.
Hey, no man.
Shackles.
What? What?
Stitchie said no tight shoes. Mary said shackles.
Get it?
Yeah. All right.
Turn?
Yeah.
All right, which gospel artist collaborated with dancehall artist Bounty Killer? What is the song?
Kevin Dawson.
Kevin Downswell.
Name of the song. No,
And the
sir.
song
Okay,
is called.
What is the song?
I don't know the name of the song, but
I
I know it was Kevin
remember.
Dawson.
I was going to say call me, but that's wrong.
Not
call
me.
Jesus. Call Jesus.
Call.
Call him.
Yeah, there you go.
Up there.
Have him number.
No, but it's not going on fine.
We have him number. Wait,
Wait,
get the number.
Jesus is on the telephone. You just have to tell him what he needs.
Free, you don't need credit.
Next one.
All right, the last one. So she won the JCDC gospel competition as a child. What is the name of the song?
No, sir.
As a child.
As a child.
Gospel song contest?
She didn't win it. She came second. So this question, yeah, she came second.
Gospel?
Gospel, JCDC.
What's the name of the artist or the song?
What's the name of the artist and the song?
I have no
And
idea.
she's performing on Sterling.
Kimi, Basil.
Basilia, oh God.
I give my love. I give my... Is Jordan?
Yes.
What can I give to you? How great I am.
No, man, no, no, well.
I never know she would do well.
No, she came second.
Papa,
But that's all.
I'm still kind of vexed that them knocked me out of the Stitchie thing because the man did say wear your size.
Not to church.
But you know it's not church he was talking about. Did
No.
he say wear your size?
He sang
I'm
it
sure
way
he
before.
meant you should wear your size.
Stitchie never save it.
Also, that song was a completely different context.
Completely.
Understand? Completely different
All them
context.
say is what did Stitchie say? And the man say, wear your size. And I just add, to church. So you sit down comfortably in a church. You know what? Squeeze up that people in church. I think we did very well. Just
Very well. Excellent.
I said last week, Saturday, me buck up on the girl. Me tell her, I go take her around the world now. Kiss me like a fly up in her head back. She want new boot and she want new frock. This is why I don't hang around you, because you're a bad influence. I go over here, so. Team church.
great to see you. And thanks for being
Thank
a part
you.
of our show. Bridget,
Always a pleasure.
God bless
Thank
you.
sir. Anytime.
Pray for me here. I beg you do.
Feel up, everybody.
Thank you
Will
very
do.
much.
All right, that was something
Appreciate
to smile about. Never, you know.
What size you have on? Are you wearing yours?
You know, you hear me talk?